Welcome back. Independent MLA Vijay Sardessai raised the issue of blatant printing of Lusofonia opening and closing ceremony passes. Vijay termed it ticket scam as around 11,500 passes were wasted and still government went ahead with printing more passes. Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar refuted any misappropriation in Lusofonia passes.
एक कशें की तुमचे आन्सर म्हणटा की पास डिस्ट्रीब्यूट जाले तुमचीच फिगर सांगतात की 11,524 पासीस तुम्ही दिवंक नात. आता इतले सगळे जावन म्हाका समजना तुम्ही आनी पास छापले म्हणटात ते कित्या खातीर हाचेर मातशें तुमी क्लॅरिफाय करचें.
ओपनिंगाक जितले पास आमी जे प्रिंट केल्ले जे टिकेटी प्रिंट केल्ल्यो हे सगळे पासीस ते पास वापरले गेले युटिलायज जाले गेले.
11,000 पासीस तुम्ही वेस्ट केले अकॉर्डिंग टू युअर ओन आन्सर. त्या लोकांक तुज्यान दिवपाक जाताले थंय अशें जाल्लें आहा. तुमचीच फिगर सांगता की तुम्ही छापल्या कितले पास म्हणना कोण. तुजो टेंडर इज ऑल्सो टू प्रिंट टिकेट्स. द पास ऑल्सो सेज इट्स अ टिकेट. टिकेटी बी विकल्यो जाल्यार नका हांव चॅक करता.
केवळ वापरली ते पास 9,000 सिटींग कॅपॅसिटी आशिल्ली 9,914 आनी प्रिंट जे केल्ले आमी प्रिंट जे केल्ले
9,000 वापरले. तुवें आन्सर कितले दिला.
प्रिंट जे केल्ले
9,000 18,000चे दिला मरे. फुटबॉलाचे फायनलीक जे कोण पास घेवन बशिल्ले तांकां जमनीर बसचे पडले आनी जे कोण पास नाशिल्ले जे तुमी
एक आनी हांव सांगता की जो गेमी स्टार्ट जाल्ले लोक आयले ना त्यामुळे बाकीचे जे कोण भायर आशिल्ले तांकां भितर घेतले आनी मागीर लोक येवन जे आसा न्ही बोवाळ घालताले की आमचे कडेन पास आमकां भितर घेना वताले. तीच परिस्थिती आसा त्यांक जाल्ली.
South Goa District Administration sealed few hotels in Kolva on Friday for failing to set up sewage treatment plant. Goa Pollution Control Board has issued sealing orders against 14 hotels in Kolva. Action on 4 hotels situated in residential areas has been kept on hold. The board has issued notices to hotels giving them time till March 6 to adhere to the directions. High Court later ordered sealing as they have failed to set up a sewage treatment plant.
The Pollution Control Board has ordered the collector to inspect, and if the places are they have not stopped work or then sealing of these places. Now out of 14 till now I have completed sealing 4 cases. This is the 5th one and 2 are in progress under Mamlatdar. Okay. Now there were 4 places which we feel that residential areas were involved. So I have written to the additional collector for clarification. Since MCC is in force and since these residential areas might have electors, then whether we should go ahead with the sealing of the places, because sealing of the residential areas before sealing we would have to vacate the areas. Now for that reason till now I have just received a telephonic message from the Pollution Control Board to keep these residential areas sealing on hold, not stay, not status quo, till further clarifications.
Hearing on Tarun Tejpal's bail plea remained inconclusive on Friday before the High Court. In view of sensitivity of the matter, court did not allow any person who are not related with the case to attend the court proceeding. Hearing will continue on Wednesday.
High Court on Friday resumed hearing bail plea of rape accused Tarun Tejpal. In the beginning of hearing, defence presented its side. The High Court again asked persons not related with the case to leave the courtroom till arguments on the fact of this case is on. In the morning session, defence side completed its argument, and in the afternoon session, prosecution side replied on the contentions raised by the defence. Court has adjourned the hearing till Wednesday afternoon.
Hearing was on throughout the day today, and the next date will be on the 12th. 12th at 4:30, or rather at 2:30.
Accused in lady journalist sexual assault case, former editor-in-chief of Tehelka, Tarun Tejpal is still in the custody since his arrest on 30th November last year. He is presently lodged in Sada jail at Vasco. Margao court is scheduled to hear Tejpal's anticipatory bail petition on Tuesday in mobile seizure case. Prosecution claims that in a surprise raid on 22nd February, a mobile phone with SIM card was seized from Tarun Tejpal's possession inside the jail. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.